Welcome to part 2 of the chain, and thank you again for joining the premium student area. So let's just take you quick recap into the new section that we're going to learn. So we've got this 3, 4, 3, 4. So on and so forth. So really what you've come here for is the singing part, and da 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 da. So obviously we need to strum. Now this can prove a bit of a problem for fingerstyle guitarists because you're not really going to have time to pick up a plectrum. What I suggest for something like this is to use the top part of your fingernail here and pretend like you're holding a plectrum. So when you come down the strings, it's got quite a nice sort of sharp sound on the top of my fingernail. And for an up, I'm just using the tip of my index finger. So we're making this rather unique chord. It sounds great in Dadgad. 3rd fret on the B string and 5th fret on the D and G, on the top 2 strings, sorry, on the E and A. So you're getting this. So that's 5, 5, 0, and then you've got 0, 3, 0. Make sure you're pushing your wrist forward so you're not muting any strings. So that's your first chord. Let me show you the rhythm that I'm using. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So pretty simple. And you do that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's in the never da 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 da. Never da 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 da. Then changing to this D suspended 4th chord, we'll call it, but I think it's just a D because of all the open strings. And then strumming all 6 strings, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Then leave that finger there, 1st fret on the A string, down, 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 up. So you've got okay, then leaving this finger here, little finger tucked underneath on the 3rd fret on the thinnest. You might have played that chord before. Middle finger on the 3rd fret on the A string. And you're going to go down on that chord and then lift up the little finger for the remainder. Now just think that's in the never break the chain, never. So you're going never, down, up, down. So it's down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. I'll do that slowly. Down, up, miss, up, down, down, up, miss, up, down, down. Now all that remains is to put the whole thing together with the strumming. So 8 of this chord with down, down, up. D, down, 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 up. This chord, down, down, up. Twice. Repeats. And at that time, when showing the second time, it's back to this idea, which you do twice, which you learn in video 1. This is riff 2, then riff 3, and then finally, let's call it riff 6, that thing that we've already learnt, okay, the little join, and then everything goes around in a circle. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 actually happens again twice more with that same chord sequence, and on the last time it starts doing this. Now I'm not quite sure what order this is going in, but it's basically making a normal D to give this suspense, feeling of suspense, and then it's lifted up. Then the acoustic guitar dies away, the bass. So we're doing that. I'll just show it to you quickly. So 5, 5, 7, 8, 7, 5, 3, 5, 7, open. 5, 5, 7, 8, 7, 5, 3, 5, 7, open. Bass guitar's doing that. The acoustic guitars have all gone now. There's no more acoustic for the rest of the song. And then you've got all that lead guitar that's happening as well. So, but really what you want with this is the strummed part and the fingerstyle part at the beginning. Apologies if you're expecting to have the whole song towards the end. To be honest with you, it's just too difficult on an acoustic to do all that. You can't really do that on an acoustic guitar effectively anyway, but I really hope you've enjoyed putting those two parts together, and keep on playing.